What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to show you how the remote for the WET PAR 50 works. Starting with our first group here, we're going to want to go into the remote settings and select between REN1 or REN2. For this group, we'll select REN1. Now on the second group of lights here, we'll go to the remote settings and set both lights to REN2. So now I can use my remote to control both groups of lights, but in order to switch between the two groups, I'm going to hold down the brightness button on the remote until the LED on top flashes once. Then I'm going to keep holding down until it flashes quickly. And this means I successfully switched the remote group. So now that I have the remote set to group 1, I can use the remote to change my lights. Then if I want to move on to the next group, I'm going to hold down the brightness buttons until it flashes once and then flashes again quickly. And now I have it set to remote 2 to control my second group of lights. So now to quickly explain how the remote works, we have the brightness buttons here to control the brightness of our lights. And like we just showed you, if you hold them down, you can switch between the two groups. Then we have the on and off buttons to control the bulbs of the lights, so we can either turn them off or back on. Then we have the static colors here, so we can pick between red, green, blue, white, amber, or ultraviolet. Then we can even use these numbers here to set the lights to different color options. Then we have the mode buttons here to set the lights to different modes. So we have the sound mode, which will set the lights to sound mode. We can also set the lights to strobe mode. Next we have the snap mode, the fade mode, and the auto mode. And while we have the lights set to any of these modes, we can use the brightness buttons to control the speed of the modes. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use the remote with the WET PAR 50 PAR lights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.